Welcome back, viewers. If you are coming to this tutorial anew, this is the second part of building a landing page with Gutenberg and JGD-BizElite, a free WordPress theme. A link to the first part can be found in the description. It should be noted that in this part of the tutorial, we will be making changes to the look of the entire website. Thus, it is best to make changes to a copy of your WordPress site on your computer rather than the live site. Resources on how to set up WordPress locally will also be in the description. Before we get started on the whole website, we want to check how the landing page looks on smaller screen sizes. These screen sizes in Chromium show how JGD-BizElite and Gutenberg handles each block. Notice how column rows become a single vertical column in mobile size? Cool. To further emphasize a wide layout, let's go to the customizer and change the layout to blog layout, wide. This can be found in Layout under the Layout Styles control. Going to the header image section, we're going to add the header image lp_header-x.png. You can get this from the tutorial resources page listed in the description. In the site identity section, we can uncheck display site title and tagline. Then, let's add the travel agency logo, skipping cropping. The logo is also in tutorial resources. JGD-BizElite also has the option of placing social media icons in the header via a menu. In the customizer under color scheme, let's change the color to better contrast with the header image. Finally, on the edit page, we can click to publish the page. And this is the final completed landing page on the front end. This final screenshot compares the Gutenberg landing page with the original concept. Thank you for following this tutorial series. If you like these videos, please give a thumbs up. Thanks again.